My name is Jonathan with LawnMore, and started our business back when I was 14. We, in a sense, want to do business the old-fashioned way. We want to slow down, take a little bit more time with our customers, and make sure that everything that they need for their property to look beautiful is done. A lot of times people, they know they want something beautiful, but they don't know exactly what they want. And so that's why we spend a lot of time when we're doing our consultations with our clients. We spend a lot of time getting to know them. We try to find out what is the passion of our customer and try to put together a design for them and a maintenance package for them that's going to be really tailored to who they are, what their passions are. Being able to come in and look at the architecture of a home with the client and help them to frame their house with the landscape. Having the computer three-dimensional rendering that we're able to bring in allows us to create a package and a design that will allow our clients to see exactly what they're going to get before we've even started digging. We even have software that we use for our crews that lets our customers speak to the crew and tell them, hey, this week can you make sure you take care of this area in my garden? And so they're able to actually go in and tell our crews things that they are specifically wanting to have done, things they specifically want to have addressed. Whether it's a commercial facility or a small residential property, it doesn't really matter. We're going to give the same quality of care to each client. As we look forward to our next 20 years, our objective is going to be the same as it was when we began, to make Gainesville even more beautiful, one yard at a time.